BabyBus.
Hi! Click here to subscribe!
Folks, we've had a lot of tremors recently, so we need to be prepared for impending earthquakes. Our volunteers are giving out emergency kits to all of you today.
Hi, Whiskers! Here you are!
Thank you! Hey, wait a moment! I need one for my caterpillar friend, too!
Caterpillar? Then take this one!
Thanks!
Emergency! We've got to go now! Bye!
Bye! Hey, caterpillar! I brought you an emergency kit! Caterpillar, why did you roll yourself up like that?
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Rattlesnake, reptile. He's one of the earthquake rescue team members. His job is to find missing animals. This morning, he had an accident while handing out emergency kits. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
It's okay. It was just an accident. But I still have some emergency kits to hand out. I need to hurry.
It's all right. Super Rescue Team will be here soon. See? They're here. Huh. Mr. Rattlesnake, how do you feel now?
I feel a little dizzy, and I can't see clearly.
Huh? Don't worry. We'll help you.
Let me take a closer look. Start analyzing! Here's the result. The pit organ seems to be injured.
Pit organ?
Mr. Rattlesnake is very short-sighted. He has small holes between his eyes and nostrils, which are called pit organs. They help him detect animals nearby, since they are very sensitive to heat.
Ah, I see. I'll fix you now.
Thank you.
Start shrinking. Where is it? Huh? I found the injury! Light waves! Mew Mew, I'm done!
I can see clearly now.
Huh? Why is the house shaking? Oh no! It's an earthquake! 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 What do we do? Don't panic! Protect your head! Let's go to a safer place! This way! Hurry!
Everybody be careful!
Mew Mew! We can go hide in the bathroom! Hurry! Go to the corner! It stopped! Come with me!
All right, let's go.
Let's get out of here! During an earthquake, don't get in the elevator! Use the stairs!
Oh, there's an aftershock!
The open area there is an emergency shelter! Hurry! Now we're safe!
Kiki, look! Let's go and see if anyone's hurt.
How is it? Have you found anything?
There's no one here.
Kiki, come over here. Here, I think I heard a whistle.
Mr. Rattlesnake is our life detector. He can help us.
I got this. Ah, over there.
Oh, Caterpillar, wake up! Look at me! I'm scared!
Whiskers is in there. We've got to help him out.
It's urgent. I'll call headquarters for help. Kaka, Whiskers is trapped inside a building. We need help.
Copy that. Hank, Momo, Kiki needs your help. Please move out now.
Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Momo and Hank are here!
There might be aftershocks. We need to get Whiskers out quickly.
No problem, I'm on it. Activate.
Super Repeller, fly!
And now's our turn.
Yep.
Look, isn't that Kiki?
We're fine! Huh?
Super Rescue Team, you've saved everyone. Thank you for being so brave.
What's the matter, Whiskers? Caterpillar. I can't find my friend Caterpillar.
Don't cry. Look!
Oh, Caterpillar! Thanks, Kiki. Whoa, he's waking up. Oh! Wow! He turned into a butterfly!
Super Rescue Team, keeping you safe!
Hello, little fish. Huh? You're so good at jumping. Huh? What is it? Oh, my little fish!
It's an earthquake! Maybe hide under the table!
It's an earthquake, everything is shaking. The house is falling down, crash, boom, bang.
We are trapped in here, it's dark and scary. Help, Super Rescue Team, come save us! Help! Mom, it's so dark, I can't see anything!
Don't worry, Super Rescue Team will be here soon.
It's an earthquake, everything is shaking.
The house fell down and people are trapped. Hey, Super Rescue Team, it's time to move out. Everyone on the bus, let's go now. Go!
Mom, I heard something outside!
It must be Super Rescue Team. Mimi, blow your whistle. Maybe they can hear you.
Okay! Somewhere over there, someone is whistling. Listen carefully and take a look around.
Don't worry, the rescue team is coming for you. Please stay calm, we'll save you. It's an aftershock. Be careful, everyone.
Hey, strong work bus, we need your help. Please move away this big, big rock. Hey, flying heli bus, we need your help. Please lift away this heavy board. Please lift away this heavy board.
Thank you, Super Rescue Team. You're welcome. Are you okay? We're okay.
Oh, my little fish.
Little fish?
Mimi!
Huh?
Here it is!
My little fish! That's great! It's okay too! Go!
Look! There's something sparkly!
Huh?
Let's go have a look!
Ooh, what's in the cave? It's so amazing. I've got to go bring my master.
Oh, hi, Mr. Dow! What are you doing here?
Huh? Oh, nothing. Just leave me alone. I'm busy.
Oh, let me help you!
No, just go away.
Oh, be careful! Oh, hey! Come and help us!
I'm a coming.
Thank goodness.
Is everyone okay?
Oh no! We're stuck in this cave. You've messed everything up.
Well, what do we do now?
Wow! Come over here!
Wow! It's stunning! Whoa!
What's wrong with you guys? It's a crystal! Ooh!
Mr. Dow, I can help you.
What happened?
I don't know. Mew Mew, be careful!
What's the red thing down there? It's too hot in here.
Magma! That's magma! We're dead. It's gonna turn me into a hot dog.
I got it! We'll be safe when we can get to the other side. Let's jump across.
Wow! Brilliant!
Let me go first. Hey!
Ah! Haha, we're safe! Mr. Dow, thank you!
Oh no!
Ooh! Oh, I'm safe too.
Oh no! What have I done? Oh no! What can I do? What do I do now? Do I do now? Master, you'll never see me again. Please help me. Pull me up! Come on!
It's too hot. I'm choking.
I want to go home.
Everybody calm down! Let's go over there. There might be another way out.
Right, let's go.
That's the only way.
It's so hot. Ah! Was I just floating? Mew Mew, come over here.
Hey! Wow, I made
Oh. Hey everyone! I think I found a way out.
A way out?
Ooh.
That high? Are you going to fly out of the cave?
Fly out? Fly out?
Yeah.
We can fly out of the cave!
Yicky, we'll help you.
How are you going to fly? Turn into a bird?
Take me with you.
Me too. Yeet.
Maybe we're too heavy. Look out,
Too
everyone!
heavy. What do we do?
Too heavy. What do we do? Oh no!
Mr. Dow, throw away the crystal!
No, I can't give up the crystal. Wow, whoa, it's too hot, too hot.
Woohoo! We made it!
Where's my crystal? My crystal.
Kiki, we need to hurry.
Oh my, we got stuck in the mud!
Help! We need some help.
Monster Car Rescue Team, we need your help!
Okay, we'll be right there. Monster Car Rescue Team, go! I have a big cargo bed. I am Monster Truck. I put out fires with my hose. I'm Monster Fire Truck. Let's go! Turning the big wheels, vroom vroom, go, go! Monster Car Rescue Team. We're the bravest rescue team. I am powerful, I'm so strong. I'm Monster Tow Truck.
I help people who get hurt. I'm Monster Ambulance. Let's go!
Turning the big wheels, vroom vroom, go, go! Monster Car Rescue Team. We're the bravest rescue team. Turning the big wheels, vroom vroom, go, go! Monster Car Rescue Team. We're the bravest rescue team.
Let's go! Wow! Monster Car Rescue Team!
Oh, there goes the siren again. Monster Car Rescue Team, go!
Yeah! Wow, cool! Mr. Dow, are you going underwater in this submarine? Please, can you take me with you?
Me too.
Get out of the way! I have no time for you!
What's going on?
There's a very scary monster living underwater. I'm the only one who can beat him. You should just stay here. Bye!
Huh? Where did he go?
Mr. Dow, are you okay?
I'm all right.
Mr. Dow, you're amazing! You got the monster in such a short time!
Of course. What? A monster?
Huh?
Hey! It's not a monster! It's a baby whale! A baby whale?
He doesn't look so good.
The baby whale is stranded! He might die if he can't get back into the water!
Aw, poor baby whale. Let's help him get back into the water.
Okay! Let me do it! I'm the strongest!
No, this is not gonna work. The baby whale is too big. Yes, we can help with the submarine. Huh? Not awake yet? Mr. Dow, Mr. Dow! Oh, then I'll try. Start, where's the button? Here? Huh? Wow! Is it here? Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Haha! Here we go! Let's go save the whale! Not this way!
Kiki!
How do you drive a submarine?
Kiki, are you okay?
Huh? Meow Meow! Stop!
Let me try! That's not gonna work. I did it!
Kiki! Kiki doesn't know how to drive a submarine. What should we do?
The baby whale's gonna save Kiki!
Why does it keep going down? Baby whale, you're back in the water! That's great! Baby whale, thank you! I'm on my way now! Bye! Great! I made it! Baby whale, what's wrong? Huh? Does that big rock block your way? Don't worry, I'll help you. Aha! It's too heavy. I can't move it. Huh? Yes! Haha! It's moving! You'll get out of here soon! Huh?
Don't touch my submarine!
Mr. Dow, it's almost done!
No way! Huh? Ah! It's a monster! Run!
Mr. Dow, it's a baby whale! He wants to get out! Huh?
Oh no!
be down.